AK Garage. I'm here one more time to do another video about charcoal canister. What is inside the charcoal canister? This one is inside the charcoal canister, and this one is called charcoal canister pellet. Pellet, and this one absorb the vapor from the tank. The vapor which is from the tank, instead of going to the atmosphere, this vapor absorb this pellet absorb the vapor so that it not go into atmosphere again, but it absorb the vapor. Then it hold the vapor when the vehicle is at rest. It's not moving, it's not running. This pellet absorb it, hold it. Immediately the vehicle start up and run for some time. Then through the communication of ECU, it allow the pet valve to open so that it allow the amount or the quantity of vapor from this pellet then is passed through the pet valve into the combustion chamber. Then it got bent there. So it's called charcoal canister. What is inside? What is inside or in the charcoal canister? When what absorb the vapor is this one, and see is this one which absorb the vapor so that the vapor will not get to the atmosphere. So the work of canister itself is only this one. So when this pellet damage or when this pellet break down, that to the extent that it can't hold the vapor again, then it affects the pet valve so that it affect the pet valve. The pet valve also damaged. Then you can smell around inside the car and around the car, petrol inside the car or around the car. That means this one has spoiled. This pallet has damaged and then the pet valve has damaged. So the vapor release from the tank through the vent line into this pallet, then and store it there when the vehicle is at rest. Then it release the vapor into the combustion chamber when the vehicle start up and start running, and it release the vapor through through the ped valve when the communication of the sensor, the ped valve, and then the ped valve sensor, and then the ECU. So we talk about canister. This is the actual work of this. This one is inside. This one is called the pallet. Is inside the container of the canister. This this one is inside. This one hold the vapor from the tank. Thank you. Thank you very much. This is AK Garage. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and help the work improve. Thank you very much. Bye.